Mabuhay everyone! Good morning and welcome to our Sorsogon adventure. My name is Ate Iza and I will be your tour guide for today. I'm very excited to share with you the beauty, history, and hidden gems of Sorsogon. Today, hindi lang po tayo magta-travel. We'll explore stories, culture, and some secrets of this province that most tourists don't usually hear about. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a fun and meaningful journey. Of course, this trip won't be possible without our very skilled and hardworking coach captain. Let's give a warm round of applause to our driver, our coach captain, Kuya Jay. Quick reminder, please always keep your seatbelts fastened when needed and avoid distracting our driver while he's on the road. So if everyone's ready, let's begin our journey. Please stay seated, enjoy the view, and feel free to ask questions anytime. Because this is not just a tour, this is an experience. Once again, welcome to Sorsogon. We're now arriving at Barcelona Church. Please prepare to step down carefully. So this church, officially known as St. Joseph Parish, was built in the year 1874 using coral stones and lime. These are the materials that is sourced locally. What makes this parish unique is its dual purpose. Aside from being a place of worship, it is function as a defensive structure against Moro raids, which were common in coastal Bicol during the 18th and 19th centuries. So if you look closely, makikita nyo its thick walls and small windows that is designed to withstand attacks. Another hidden detail, the church once had a watchtower system to alert villagers of incoming danger. For our next stop, we are now approaching the Barcelona Ruins Park. This Barcelona Ruins Park is the perfect spot for photos and history lovers. These ruins were part of a Spanish-era tribunal building, which served as a local government center. It was destroyed during World War II, during the Japanese forces occupied the Philippines. Here's a lesser-known fact. Many provincial structures like this were intentionally targeted because they symbolized governance and resistance. Today, instead of restoring it completely, it was preserved as ruins to remind us of resilience. Our next stop, we're now arriving at Pagiriran Island, one of the Sorsogon's best-kept secrets. So this lagoon is naturally carved by volcanic rock formations created over thousands of years through wave actions and geological shifts. So at high tide, it becomes a calm swimming lagoon, and at low tide, you'll see exposed rock beds that locals use as traditional fish traps called baklan. Another interesting fact, this area is less commercialized compared to other tourist spots, which helps preserve its natural beauty. So makikita nyo talaga dito yung raw, untouched ng side ng Sorsogon. For our next stop, we're now arriving at Donsol. Welcome to Donsol, the whale shark interaction capital. So Donsol became a globally recognized in the early 2000s when researchers discovered seasonal gatherings of whale sharks here. Unlike in other places, feeding is not allowed. This makes Donsol one of the pioneers of ecotourism in the Philippines. These whale sharks, locally called butanding, migrate here between November and May. Here's something fascinating. They can live up to 100 years and travel thousands of kilometers across oceans. And despite their size, they are filter feeders, meaning harmless sila sa mga tao. For last stop, we are now arriving Bulusan Lake. So, please enjoy the cool breeze and the peaceful surroundings. So this lake is located inside a rainforest reserve and was formed through volcanic activity from Mount Bulusan. So the lake is part of a protective natural park, which means strict conservation rules are followed. So unknown to many, the forest surrounding the lake is home to endemic species, plants and animals found only in this region. In the past, locals believed this area was inhabited by nature spirits, and rituals were performed to maintain harmony with nature. Thank you for being part of this journey. We hope Sorsogon leaves not just memories, but meaning in your hearts.